Greetings, it is Sunday, February 13th, 2022. This will be Sightseeing with Dignity, Tolerance, Human Rights, Anti-War, Pro-Life, Education, Art Series Artwork number 50, video part 1. And I prepared the drawing paper today to actually fit in this frame here, and getting a lot of light reflection on the frame. So let me move that, and I did the first pencil stage here this afternoon from this photograph. I copied, saved from an internet photo, and then I had the print made at a drugstore, like Photo Lab. Yoshihiro Hattori was 16 when he was murdered, shot to death by a homeowner in Louisiana. I mean, 1992. I remember the news at the time, and I actually remember what library branch I was looking at the time. I'm a retired Seattle Public Library clerk. Anyway, this will be the 15th artwork in the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series to portray a victim of America's genocidal, gun rights-driven terrorism, slaughter, carnage, and genocide. One of those artworks has 2 victims portrayed, so it'll be the 16th victim portrayed in 15 drawings and or mosaic drawing combos in the series. To be continued during the week. I'm going to start working on the inking, black India ink of my pencil interpretive portrait here, and then once that's done, I'm going to be doing some allegorical sea monsters. Maybe whatever, 1, 2, or 3. All right, to be continued. Budgies, how are we doing here? Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Good. Good. Okay, that's it. To be continued.